elapsed time. What that means is how much time is in between one happening and another. For example, if I leave the house at 3 o'clock to go walk my dogs and I return at 4, how much time has elapsed or gone by from 3 to 4? 1 hour, right? So that's what we're looking at. So from start to finish is how much time has gone by. It's reminding us that there are 60 minutes in an hour, which is cool. There's 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour. And the minute hand moves all the way around the entire clock in 1 hour. Well, the hour hand only moves one number, right? The minute hand travels all the way around. So let's take a look at, it says, if you start something at 11 o'clock, okay, and you finish it at 1 o'clock, how many hours is that? Let's see, 11, 12, 1 hour, 1 o'clock, 2 hours, right? So that took you 2 hours. So number 1 would be 2 hours from 11 to 1. Because there's no 13 o'clock. You wouldn't go 11, 12, 13, whoops, right? Okay, so if you start something at 2 o'clock and you finish it at 3 o'clock, how many times did you go around? 1. So write 1 hour for number 2. See how that works? Okay, next page, 534. If you start something at 6 o'clock and you finish at 6 a.m. in the morning, I should have been reading that, 6 a.m., like I get up at 6 a.m. and it takes me till 11 a.m. to get to work. How long did that take? How much time elapsed between getting up in the morning and getting to work? Let's see, 6, 7, that's 1 hour, 8, that's 2, 9, that's 3, 10, that's 4, 11, that's 5. Took 5 hours, right? So that would be a 5-hour elapsed time, 5 hours. Now, 7 a.m., let's see. Let's say it's 7 a.m. I got up at 6. At 7 a.m. I am ready to eat my breakfast. Yikes, I'm not going to eat till 2 p.m. Okay, so at 7 a.m. I leave for Yosemite, okay? I arrive in Yosemite at 2 p.m. How long did it take me? 7, okay, ready, go. 8, 1, 9, 2, 10, 3, 11, 4, 12, 5, 1, 6, 2, 7. It took me 7 hours to get to Yosemite. Do you guys know how many hours it should take to get to Yosemite if you just keep on driving? Should take about 4. So this happens all the time. I spent 3 hours getting extra. So you know what I did probably? I probably, depending on which direction I went in, I probably stopped at the cheese factory in Oakdale. I probably stopped along the way. Maybe I stopped at that big sporting goods store that's so cool, Bass Outlet, whatever, Bass, something. Anyway, potty break, lunch break. It took me a long time. I stopped at a lot of places, but it was a 7-hour trip. Okay, so 4 a.m. Now my son has to be, does he have to leave? When he works out of town, he has to be in the car driving away at 4. At 4 in the morning. It's still dark outside, poor thing. And sometimes it takes him till 8 o'clock to get where he's going. Let's see how long it takes from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. So 4 5 is 1, 6 is 2, 7 is 3, 8 is 4. It takes 4 hours. So number 3 would be 4 hours. Where can you be in 4 hours? You can't be to Disneyland yet. That takes about 7. 4 hours you can be down to Solvang, maybe, fun little town. Maybe you can be to Cambria on the ocean, another great little town. All right, I think I need to take a trip. So, number 4, it says Josh starts painting at 11:45. So that shows, let's get up here. That shows, that's about what 11:45 looks like. It's almost 12 o'clock. So Josh starts painting at 11:45 a.m. in the morning. He paints for 1 hour. What time does he stop? Let's go all the way around. We started here, so we got to go back there. That was a full trip. What time did he stop? 12:45. So 12:45 goes in the box. Now, is that AM or PM? He started in AM, but all of a sudden, did you notice? He passed the 12 noon. Now it is the PM, right? So you should circle PM. Okay, so that does it for your math for right now. And next up, we're going to be doing another activity page in your Little House in the Big Woods, so you can get that ready, okay? And I'll see you in just a short time. Bye-bye.